Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Lila Abbate and I'm a physical therapist, and this is...
I'm Casey Owens and I'm a personal trainer.
And welcome to our YouTube channel today where we're going to be doing physical therapy tweaks on basic gym exercises. So today I'm going to be doing a oblique exercise, and that works on the muscles on the side of the trunk. And Casey's going to be doing the demoing and giving the cues, and I'll be giving a little physical therapy tweak on a basic exercise here.
Okay. So we're going to start with this movement. It's going to look like what many people know as a Russian twist, but this is actually anti-rotation. So I'm going to sit back a little bit, no intense decline, but just to get my core activated. I have a light weight here, it's 2 pounds, and I'm going to move from one side of my body quickly through to the other side. My goal is to keep my chest and gaze forward and not move with the weight.
So here she's pulling in her transversus. So keep in mind that when you're going to be pulling in your core, you're bringing it to like your abdominals towards your back, almost to your spine, so that she's engaged here and that she's keeping her rib cage down. And when she keeps her rib cage down, she's activating her obliques. So with this activity of now rotating her arms, but moving the weight side to side, she's able to then activate her obliques with all the motions that she's doing. Now keep in mind we're using a 2-pound weight, but at home you can use 2 water bottles, you can use 1 water bottle and hold it, you can use a can of tomato sauce, wherever you think that your strength and function is, that you're able to maintain the activity and keep the proper form. Okay, so this is our little physical therapy tweak on a basic gym exercise.